Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with milk and butter. This simple technique allows you to enjoy fluffy, homemade whipped cream even without heavy cream. We'll cover the essential ingredients and the straightforward steps to achieve a delightful topping for your desserts. Get ready to transform basic pantry staples into a sweet, airy treat that everyone will love. It's a fantastic trick to have up your culinary sleeve. First, let's prepare our cream base. Gently melt about 1/2 cup or 113 grams of unsalted butter. Once melted, combine it with 1 cup or 240 milliliters of cold whole milk. Whisk these two ingredients together very well until they are fully incorporated and smooth. This creates the rich base that will become our whipped cream. Ensure there are no butter streaks. Now for the crucial chilling step. Place your milk and butter mixture into the freezer for about 30 minutes. It needs to be extremely cold, almost slushy, but not completely frozen. Once perfectly chilled, transfer this mixture to a very cold mixing bowl. Using a stand mixer or hand mixer, whip the mixture on high speed. Continue whipping until it transforms into light, airy whipped cream with your desired peak consistency. To finish, let's add some flavor. Gently fold in 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for a touch of sweetness. You can also add about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the taste. Give it a final quick whip for just a few seconds to ensure everything is perfectly combined. Your homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over your favorite desserts or store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.